Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Most of the people ask and they're confused about where we should use would and where we should use will. Why someone use would both in past tense and in the future tense? What's the difference? After watching this video, you will master will and would. So if you're interested in, watch this video up to end. Let's get started. So first, let's look at will. The first usage of will is for showing the future action or the future plan. No matter what you do, children will be playing, or maybe we will meet tomorrow again, or maybe we'll meet tomorrow again. Will is the contracted form of we will. Maybe we'll meet tomorrow again. It shows the future plan. The second usage of will is for predicting the future. She will be surprised after seeing her result. It shows the future prediction. She will be surprised after seeing her result. Or nobody knows what will happen. It doesn't mean no one knows something, but it means the consequences of something will be really bad. Nobody knows what will happen. The third usage of will is for making a promise and offer. For example, I promise you this will never happen again. Or I promise you I'll call him and tell him about you. The fourth usage of will is for asking a request. Will you turn off the light, please? Using will shows informal situation. This was the most common usage of will. Now, would. Would is the past form of will. First, let's look at the pronunciation. Would is pronounced completely like the would. The O is silent. Would, not would, something like that. Now, the first usage of would is like the last usage of will. Would you turn off the light, please? Would used in formal situations. The second usage of would is for asking a question. Would you like a cup of tea? Would you like to eat dinner out? It shows your polite behavior. The third usage of would is for polite request or expression. Instead of I want a cup of tea, you can say I would like a cup of tea, or I'd like a cup of tea. I would like is the contracted form of I would like. I would like a cup of tea. It shows your polite request. The fourth usage of would is for a repetitive past action. For example, they would always argue. They could never agree. Or every weekends my father would come home and watch TV. It shows the past repetitive action. The fifth usage of would is for hypothesis. Hypothesis, something that you imagine, something is not certain. It would be very expensive to stay in a hotel. If I had the money, I would buy a new car. You don't have the money and you wouldn't buy a car. The sixth usage of would is for showing that you love to do something, but you can't. For example, if someone asks you that, do you want to have a dinner with me tonight? And you say, I would love to, but I have to do my assignments. It shows that you want to do that and you would like to do that, but you can't because of excuses you have. One common mistake that most language learners make with would is they use would plus to. For example, she would to go to the cinema once a week. There is no to after would because would is a modal verb and the modal verbs are not changeable. We can't change the form of modal verbs. Like we can't say I would to go or he, she, it would's because he, she, it is the third singular person and we use is at the end of the verbs, but in modal verbs we don't. Or I wouldn't for showing the past action. This is wrong. This is the same for the negative forms. I would not go to the cinema once a week. This is wrong. I wouldn't go to the cinema once a week. We can't change its form. This was for today's video. Thank you for watching this video up to end. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. And please turn on the notification bell button to inform you when I post a new video on my channel. And please motivate me with your likes and sharing my videos with your friends. Wish you the best.